Welcome back to the Gear Garage today. 2025 A-4 Skyhawk Aerobatics fighter jet is not just a machine of the skies, it is a bold reinvention of an aviation icon built to merge futuristic technology with luxury-inspired design. At first glance, the exterior is nothing short of breathtaking. The body is finished in a gleamy, oily white that reflects light like liquid glass, paired with glossy black accents that give it an aggressive yet elegant look. The fuselage has been stretched and widened, almost limousine-like, creating a presence that feels commanding both on the runway and in the air. At the nose, the fighter jet features a massive grille inspired by the Royce Spectre, a design element never before seen on a combat aircraft. Then, this bold detail, combined with sleek red fog lights and black alloy wheels, makes the jet look like a blend of high-performance fighter and luxury supercar. The A4 logo sits proudly on the front, marking its identity as a futuristic icon. When it comes to performance, the 2025 A-4 Skyhawk is engineered for aerobatics and speed. The aerodynamic wide body is not just for show, it delivers stability during high-G maneuvers and sharp turns. Twin high-thrust engines power the aircraft, giving it the ability to accelerate with breathtaking force while maintaining smooth handling at extreme altitude. Its advanced avionics and flight control systems make it highly responsive, ensuring that even the most daring stunts can be performed with precision. Designed with air shows and aerobatic demonstrations in mind, this fighter jet combines raw power with elegance in motion, delivering a performance that feels both futuristic and awe-inspiring. Step inside the cockpit and the experience transforms into something completely unexpected. Instead of the purely functional interiors we usually see in military aircraft, the 2025 A-4 Skyhawk has been crafted with the aesthetics of a luxury automobile. The cabin is finished with glossy white panels, deep black trims, and ambient red lighting that flows across the dashboard and side console. The seats are sculpted in black leather with bold red stitching designed to feel like futuristic racing chairs while still providing maximum pilot support during high-speed maneuvers. The dashboard itself is digital and holographic, with neon blue heads-up displays and fully touch-sensitive panels, creating an immersive cockpit environment that feels decades ahead of its time. The control layout has been influenced by modern luxury cars, with a center console designed to resemble the glossy control grills of high-end automotive brands, blending luxury with advanced flight engineering. As for the price, the 2025 A-4 Skyhawk is positioned in the ultra-premium category. With its bespoke design, luxury-focused details, and cutting-edge technology, it is expected to come in at several $100 million per unit, depending on customizations and configurations. While it may not be accessible to the general market, this fighter jet is aimed at governments, elite private collectors, and special demonstration teams who want the most advanced and stylish aerobatic jet ever built. The 2025 A-4 Skyhawk Aerobatics fighter jet is more than just an aircraft. It is a statement of what happens when design, performance, and luxury collide. It honors the Skyhawk legacy while rewriting what a modern aerobatics jet can be, and it stands as one of the most unique and futuristic flying machines ever imagined. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.